So a leadership role is something that a lot of us as engineers wish to attain at least one day, right? But many of us that have leadership in our foresights are missing a key ingredient there. Well, in this week's engineering management lesson, we're going to be hearing from the Geotechnical Practice Director at Atkins Realis, and his name is Gohe Metaferia. So he's going to be sharing with us a lesson on leadership that we can all use to internalize the weight of our roles as a leader. Let's jump right in.
When I first assumed officially a people leadership role, I had one of my longtime mentors that actually shared a book of his, and I still have the hard copy. I just passed it on to someone very recently. It basically goes in very detail about how leadership is a very deliberate and conscious decision that you take. It's a contract with oneself to say, I will actively lead my people, my projects, my engagements. You're not a passenger in a vehicle where, you've gotten to a certain stage in your career, so now you get promoted to leadership. Rather, you're offered an opportunity, you actively make the decision to accept it and to deliver on your commitment. So the biggest lesson I would say in my career, in leadership in general, is that remember that leadership is a deliberate and conscious decision that you've taken. And as long as you remember that, you will remind yourself to continually stay true to your commitments.
So I hope that you all have enjoyed this engineering management lesson from Gohe, and he's absolutely right in saying that leadership is a conscious decision. Now, here at EMI, one of our veteran instructors by the name of Ann Tomalovich always states that managers and leaders are to be the CEOs of our projects, and I believe that this is a point that ties right into what our guest had to say as well. You have to internalize that choice. You have to understand what it really means for you and for your firm, and to also understand that as a leader, you have to make a mental contract within yourself to make your role a stellar success. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel here. We do put out videos like this on a weekly basis to help engineers to become better managers and leaders in the engineering industry. I'll see you guys next week.